Hey guys, maybe we're gonna check on the birds today, and we haven't checked on it tomorrow because yesterday I was going on vacation on New Hampshire, and last night we come back to go check it out. I'm getting a little nervous because every day it scoos me and I'm poof. Scream.
All right.
Hey guys, here we are in the nest right now, and I don't like how many flowers. Mom, let's show them.
Let me see you. Okay. Let's see if there's any babies in
Okay,
there.
okay, I'm getting.
Can we see in there?
Oh, Mommy, I see you.
You do?
Oh my God, the baby's hatched. He hatched.
Wait, there's a baby that hatched? I didn't see that. There's a little. Oh, there are babies in there. Are you so excited?
I saw one move their beak, and they were like this.
Look at how little they are.
Oh my God.
Can you see?
Oh my God.
There they are. Hi, babies.
Oh my God, they're so adorable. I'm gonna cry. I'm just gonna cry.
You're gonna
Oh
cry?
my God, they're so adorable. They don't even have fur yet because they have to get bigger. When they get bigger, they get fur. Like you, Mommy, you have your you have your skin. Mom, you see how you have a little hair? And that's why we have little hair, and they're so adorable. Hey guys, they actually hatched today. Oh my God, I didn't know. Maybe they hatched last night. Good thing the mommy bird is maybe going get nummy nums for the babies that they already hatched. From the babies, I'm so excited. I'm so excited to fly away. They fly today, and I saw them, and bye. Make sure to click on subscribe.